Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll walk you through an easy guideline to purchase your Bosnia and Herzegovina virtual number on KrispCall. You can obtain a virtual phone number from Bosnia and Herzegovina for verification calls on WhatsApp, Telegram, and others platforms. To purchase a virtual phone number for Bosnia and Herzegovina, firstly, head to KrispCall.com and either create an account or log in if you already have an account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to My Numbers either by clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Now click on Purchase New Number. From the available options, select Bosnia and Herzegovina as your desired country. Once you've chosen Bosnia and Herzegovina, click Buy Number. Now assign a name to your chosen number and place it in your cart. You must provide your full name and proof of local address to our customer department or a copy of your ID for verification. Then, finalize your purchase by clicking Confirm Purchase. With your Bosnian and Herzegovinian number activated, making calls becomes effortless. Get 100 plus international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced telephony features like Unified Callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.